Hi, today I'm explaining another word problem. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? This we are solving by elimination method. So first we have to make the equations. For that, read the question carefully. See, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Let us consider the present age of Nuri is X. Now Nuri is X years old and Sonu is Y years old. That is the present age of Sonu. 5 years ago, that means before 5 years, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Before 5 years, what is the Nuri's age? Present is X. Before 5 years, X minus 5. And the before 5 years, Sonu's age is Y minus 5. See the example. A man of age 25. Now the age of a man is 25. Before 5 years, how old he? 25 minus 5. That same concept here. Nuri's age, present age is X. Before 5 years, X minus 5. From the given information, see, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age is X minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. So we can write X minus 5 equal 3 into Y minus 5. This is the mathematical representation of this sentence. Then the next, we can write X minus 5 equal 3 into Y. 3Y minus 3 into 5. 15. Now we can collect the variables in one side and constants in other side. So x minus 3y equal minus 15 plus 5 equal minus 10. So we will get the equation x minus 3y equal minus 10. Mark this equation as 1. Then the next, 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So after 10 years, Nuri's age is what? Now Nuri is X years old. After 10 years, X plus 10. And Sonu's age, Y plus 10. After 10 years, Y plus 10. From the given information, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age is X plus 10 equal twice as old as Sonu. So we can write X plus 10 equal 2 into Y plus 10. This is the mathematical representation of this sentence. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Now we can rearrange this. X plus 10 equal 2 into Y 2Y plus 20. Then we can collect the variable terms in one side and constant terms in other side. So we will get the equation x minus 2y equal 10. Mark this equation as 2. Now we got two equations. In both, see x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Here x minus 2y equal to 10. In both, x term is equal. So we can subtract the equation 1 from equation 2 to eliminate the x term. First we can write the second equation x minus 2y equal to 10. Then x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Now change the sign. So here minus x This minus will change to positive 3y equal to minus 10. Minus 10 will become positive 10. This term, x term got cancelled, eliminated, and minus 2 plus 3y. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So 1y. The sign of this is bigger one sign. Bigger one sign here is positive. So we will get y equal 10 plus 10 is 20. We got the value of y. Now we can substitute y equal to 20 in equation 1. Which is the equation 1? See, x minus 3y equal to minus 10. This is the equation 1. So substitute the value y equal to 20 in equation 1. See here, in this place 3y, 3 into y. So this place we are giving the value 20. So x minus 3 into 20. X minus 3y equal to minus 10 and x minus 3 into 20 equal to minus 10. So 3 into 20 is what? 60. So x minus 60 equal to minus 10. So x equal minus 10 plus 60 equal to 50. Now we got x value and y value. X is what? See, we are considered that percentage of Noori is x and the percentage of Sonu is y. So x is percentage of Noori. Percentage of Noori is 50 and the percentage of Sonu is 20. Therefore, Noori's age is 50 and Sonu's age is 20.